Paradise lies at the feet of your mother. Sahih al-Bukhari, Book 41, Hadith 2.
الجنة تحت أقدام الأمهات.
The pleasure of the Lord lies in the pleasure of the parent, and the anger of the Lord lies in the anger of the parent. Sahih ibn Hibban, Book of Bir al-Walidain, The Righteousness to Parents, Hadith 420.
رضا الرب في رضا الوالدين وسخط الرب في سخط الوالدين.
No child can repay the kindness shown by his parents, except that he finds them enslaved, then buys them and sets them free. Sahih al-Bukhari.
لا يستطيع الولد أن يجازي والديه بالمثل إلا إذا وجدهما عبيدا فأعتقهما.
He who wishes to enter paradise through its best door must please his parents. Sunan ibn Majah.
من كان يريد أن يدخل الجنة من أفضل أبوابها فليرض أبويه.
A person's status will be raised in paradise, and he will ask, "How did I get here?" It will be said, "By your son's prayers for forgiveness for you." Sunan ibn Majah.
يرفع للعبد في الجنة درجتان فيقول: من أين لي هذا؟ فيقال: من استغفار ابنك لك.
The pleasure of Allah is in the pleasure of the father, and the anger of Allah is in the anger of the father. Sunan ibn Majah.
رضا الله في رضا الأب وسخط الله في سخط الأب.
No child can truly repay his parent unless he finds a slave and buys him and then sets him free.
لا يستطيع ولد أن يجزي والديه إحسان حق إحسان حتى يجد عبد فشتراه ثم أعتقه.
The one who does not thank people does not thank Allah, and the one who does not thank Allah has disbelieved. Sunan at-Tirmidhi.
من لم يشكر الناس لم يشكر الله، ومن لم يشكر الله فقد كفر.
Whoever wishes to have increase in his sustenance and his term of life to be extended, should maintain good ties with his kin.
من أحب أن يبسط له في رزقه وينسئ له في أثره فليصل رحمه.
The best deed is to bring happiness to your parents. Sahih ibn Hibban.
أحسن البر مراحم الوالدين.
A man asked the Prophet, peace be upon him, "To whom should I be kind?" The Prophet replied, "Your mother." The man asked, "Then who?" The Prophet said, "Your mother." The man asked a third time, "Then who?" The Prophet said, "Your mother." The man asked for the fourth time, "Then who?" The Prophet said, "Your father." Sunan ibn Majah.
قال رجل: يا رسول الله، أي الناس أحق بحسن صحابتي؟ قال: أمك. قال: ثم من؟ قال: أمك. قال: ثم من؟ قال: أمك. قال: ثم من؟ قال: أبوك.
Parents, or one of them, are the middle gates of paradise. So, if you wish, keep them or lose them. Sahih Muslim.
الوالدان أو أحدهما أوسط أبواب الجنة، فإن شئت فأضعها أو أحفظها.